Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today we're going to do a quick comparison review between the Leatherman T4 and the Leatherman T2. Very similar multi-tools, very compact and very nice. They both are sporting the new magnetic technology and just the one-hand, single-handed operation. So you're going to be able to, deploy all the tools with one hand only. So they have many things in common, like for example, the blade, it's exactly the same. It's like a pretty nice hollow grind, blade with nice belly and flat, and it's the classic 420 high carbon steel that Leatherman is using since a long time. Also, like they have like the same, these tools are the same, so you're gonna have an owl over here with nice and sharp edge on this side, and just a little small flathead screwdriver. Here you've got your bottle opener and Phillips head screwdriver, which has a pretty beefy stock, as you can see. And over here, like a triple tool, like because this can serve as a pry bar, as a package opener, and as well as a flathead, medium flathead screwdriver right over here. So the same tools are, you can find them in the T4, like you have your pry bar, package opener, flathead screwdriver on this side, and on the other side you're gonna have the other two. So divided in two sides, because on this side of the T4 you have the extra scissors, which are very nice. All right, so like this, yes, which are lacking in the T2. And also on the other side you have the little the little file, okay, which is missing in the T2. Something that you might not notice missing also in the T2 is that the T4 has a set of tweezers like hidden on the side of the tool. So very interesting. Both are sporting a deep carry pocket clip like that, which is nicely polished with a small logo right over there. And the T2 is sporting actually a lanyard hole right over here, which you don't have on the passing through on the T4. You just have it right over here, so it's gonna be able just to allocate just a smaller paracord than the T2. Overall, the T4 is a little bit heavier. Size lengthwise are the same, and of course the T4 is gonna be just a tad thicker. But overall, they're both very interesting multi-tools, very pocketable, a little bit on the chubby side, but that's due to the nature of the beast, because the magnetic tools, the detent, let's say, and this kind of lock, it's quite big, and it needs to take up a little bit of space of the overall volume. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick comparison. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.